Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. This is just my announcement video for my spring group swap. I want to get this out so anybody that wants to join has enough time to get started. So this is going to be a make two, get two. Again, as always, one is not required for me, but is definitely appreciated because it makes it just so much easier for sharing. So what we're going to make is what's called a seed packet mini album, and I made a little example because I wanted to be able to show what it looks like. But the tutorial is by Pink Strawberries. I will have the link down below, and Instagram. I will have everything because I'm going to post this on Instagram and here on YouTube. Anyways, so if you want to join, just leave it down in the comments, or you can go over to Instagram and let me know there. So that is that. Anyways, inside, so this is what it looks like. It's really cute. I wanted to have this one be a little bit smaller. I'm not going to require as much. I know a lot of people do spring swaps, so I just wanted to keep it more simple. So it has 4 little envelopes inside. And I just made myself little sticky notes. And it does expand, so you can set it up. So definitely want to, decorate this. This is just an example, but, add your embellishing and make it cute. And inside for each pocket, so in one pocket, we're going to do 5 die cuts. I would prefer this to be more spring theme and less Easter themed. Not everybody does Easter crafting, so I would like, and spring can go with Easter if you are an Easter crafter, and this is due after Easter, so just to put that PSA out there. And then the next one, we will do a sequin mix. You can order these however you want. Then a shaker for another pocket. So the shaker, obviously, it is going to have to be a smaller shaker. I tested it out with, I can't remember what die it was or die cut that I had, but a shaker does fit. And then crafter's choice. So this could be trim samples. I wrote some ideas. So you could do charms, you could make a little dangle, some ribbon trim samples, rosettes or bows. You could do a small store-bought gift, like, a little die would fit in there, or it's really up to you. Or wax seals, a little thing of beads. There's so many options. You can have fun with that. You can make embellishment, an embellishment for it, whatever you want to do. And then outside of just this, I just thought, let's do a set of 4 flowers. Preferably handmade flowers. So let's try to keep them handmade. I am not requiring any specific size, but maybe at least an inch. But this is going to be pretty lenient. I think this is just a time to have fun, and I kept it simple, so shipping shouldn't be as high. So yeah, that is what we are going to do for the spring group swap. So if you're interested in joining, just let me know. And have a great day. Happy crafting!